Dzień dobry, witamy, zapraszamy everyone, welcome and let's dive into our today's video, and this is gonna be about learning some familiar, some common and useful Polish sentences and words. So we are going to use every single words of these in our daily interaction. Let's begin. First, let's start with words that may already sound familiar to you. Telephone. In Polish we say mój telefon dzwoni. My phone is ringing. Very easy because the word is almost identical to English. Second one, internet. This word is used exactly like in many languages. Hotel, again simple and international. Ten hotel jest duże. We have restauracja. We are going to the restaurant. Idziemy do restauracja. This word is longer but easy once divided into syllables. Now imagine you are landing in Poland and you want to speak with somebody but they speak fast. You need survival phrases such as nie rozumiem, I don't understand. This one is one of the most important phrases for beginners. We have also proszę powtórzyć wolniej, please repeat more slowly, and of course can you speak slower, możesz mówić wolniej. This makes communication much easier. And thirdly, we have some Polish words that sounds unusual or funny for foreigners, such as kura, and it is chicken. Kura jest na ferma. Short, clear and memorable. We have our favorite word, and it is ludy. I like ice cream. Lubię ludy. Very useful in summer. We have baba, and it is lady or woman. Ta baba jest miła. A very simple word, easy to remember. Now, one other words that are already international, such as pizza, and it is pizza. Yummy pizza. Taxi, biorą taxi, and we have also bank, and it is banko if you put it into a sentence. Let's see some other words that Polish people use daily. We have spoko. Pomogą cię? No problem, I will help you. We have dobra. Idziemy. Alright, let's go. And of course, no, fałsznie. No, fałsznie. This expression is extremely common. So, let's finalize. Now imagine yourself face to face with a pool. Can you remember those words and what they mean? Telefon, spoko, ludzi, nie rozumiem, taxi. Try saying them aloud and your pronunciation improves very fast when repeated several times. So, thank you for watching and reaching this point. I want just to say that Polish may look difficult at first, but many words are easier than they seem. And that's why step-by-step learning becomes natural. Now tell me which Polish word surprised you the most today. Write in the comments, and if you want another lesson, we continue next mission together. Do widzenia i dziękuję.